Okay, welcome back. Rancho Rams Room 19 families. Okay, we're going to check our schedule. So we've just finished our news to you. So that's all done. So, and you should have, if not, taken a recess or break time there built in. So that should be all done. Now we're going to do a math lesson in this, and then I'm going to create a different link for our science section. So right now, first we're going to do a math unique lesson. So let's go to that lesson. So here is our lesson. These are our instructional targets for this lesson. Math standards for operational algebraic thinking. Building blocks for generate and analyze patterns. Extend sequence of non-numeric patterns. Represent and solve problems involving addition and subtraction. These are for your purpose. These are not so much to be read to your child, but so you know what we're doing in this lesson. Model putting together addition, more, equal, taking away, subtraction, less, equal, with objects and representation. Solve real life addition, subtraction problems within the ranges of 1 through 10 and 1 through 20. Understand and use plus, minus, and equal symbols when solving problems. Find unknown numbers in math science. Work with equal group objects to gain foundations for multiplication. Share equal numbers of objects between 2 and 4 people. Add to find a total number in an array of examples of 3 rows, 3 columns. Again, I'm going to be doing a lesson about because you'll have these types of lessons in the upcoming packets that you can pick up to work with your child at home. And I'm going to do a different video that goes over the unique lessons and how to instruct them. So we have a differentiated learning task. Okay, so we want to meet all students where they are. So most of our students, again, I repeat, this is what we want them to do. We're doing the level 1 differentiated tasks. We have some others that are at 2 or 3. Okay, so this is I'm not going to read each one of these, but these are what their tasks they should be able to do following this lesson. Okay, so we're actually going to go to the first lesson. Again, we do this on our interactive smart TV. So we're going to the level 1. Okay, I want to make this smaller so you can see it. So you can have your child follow along on their device. Okay, so writing simple sentences. Okay, so when you see this word all together, A plus B equals C. Paige sees 2 glasses. 1, 2. Drew sees 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. They see C together. So A plus 3 is C together. How many do you see all together? So we go 2 plus 4 equals. So we go 2 plus 4. We can go start with 4, the larger number. 5, 6. So C is 6.
6.
A plus B equals C. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, let's make it bigger so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, here we go again. A plus B equals C. A, Paige counts 4 menus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drew counts 1 menu. 1. They count C all together. How many do they count all together? A plus B equals C. 4 plus 1. So we start with the bigger number, 4. 4, count on, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5.
5.
In class, the students would have come up to the interactive smart TV and actually clicked on with the stylus would have touched the number themselves. Okay? So we're going to go to the next level 1 simple sentence. Make this bigger so that it's easier for students to see. Okay, when you see this word all together, A plus B equals C, use manipulatives. Okay, so you can use, have your child use actual manipulatives. They want you to use chairs, it's saying. So we got Paige sees 2 chairs. So if you have 2 chairs in your house, you can put 2 chairs together. Drew sees B chairs. There are 9 chairs altogether. How many chairs does Drew see? Now that's going to be hard. I would use something else because I don't think a lot of people have 9 chairs that they can move in their house. So we look. So if, let me go back to here. So if 2 is what we have, and we want to get to 9. Okay, so what we need to do is find the difference. So then we've got to go, what plus 2 would be 9. So we can go up here and actually use this little number chart to figure that out. So if we started at 2, okay, let me move me out of the way. We can either count back from 9, go back 1, 2, which bring us to 7, or you can go the other way, count up, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I think for our kids, it's visually easier to count back 1, 2, and that gets them to the actual number.
7.
Oop, went to the wrong place. My problem. Let's get that out of there because I was in the wrong code. I was right, should be right here. There you go.
7.
But you do see that there's a positive. The other one, bong, and the red gives you the audio and visual support that was the wrong answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, A plus B equals C. Use manipulatives to solve. So this you might be able to do 5 napkins. Say they get this. Paige folds a napkin. Drew folds 5 napkins.
Drew folds 5 napkins.
They fold 8 napkins all together. How many napkins does Paige fold? So we're going to find for Paige. Sometimes these things get in the way. Okay, so we have 5, but we want to get to 8. So we're going to go find, and we're solving for A. Okay, solving for A. So they had 5, you want to get to 8. So you can go 1, 2, 3 more to get to 8. So you count up.
8.
Oh, that's not right. Well, I wasn't paying attention, obviously. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. Just a little spaced out. Okay, so we're at 5 and we want to get to 8. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm talking about visually. I counted 3, but then clicked on the 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we solved for A there. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next level 1 problem to solve for. Okay, let's make this bigger so it's easier for them to see. Get me out of the way here. Okay, subtraction. When you see this word left, okay? A subtract.
A minus B equals C.
A minus B equals C. So let's see.
A.
A is.
Paige has 9 forks.
Okay.
B. She puts away 5 forks. C. There are C forks left. How many forks are left?
Okay, how many forks are left? So we're solving. So 9 subtract 5 equals. So they've already have 9 up here. They already crossed out the 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So C is
4.
Okay. Okay. B subtract C, A subtract B equals C. So we have
A. Drew has 8 classes.
8 classes right here. The ones that are, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
B. He puts away 7
So you
classes.
count out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're gone.
C. There are C classes left. How many classes are left?
So grasses that are not X'd out is right here. 1. So 8 subtract 7 equals
1.
okay, let's go to the next one. So we did 1, 2, did that one. Go to the next level 1. Okay. Here we go. Subtract when you see this word left.
A minus B equals C.
Use manipulatives. So again, you can get manipulatives. You do not obviously maybe have menus, but maybe you can use books at home with
A.
your child.
Page has 13 menus.
Okay, 13, or you can use magazines. You can use just pieces of paper, whatever you have available.
B. She hands out B menus. C. She has 10 menus left. How many menus does Paige hand out?
Okay. So 13 subtract B equals 10. So we're solving for B. Okay. So if we start at 13, because that's how many you started with, hand it out 3, count back 3. 1, 2, 3. And it's this number right here that we're looking for then. Oh, I'm sorry. I did the same thing I did last time. That's incorrect. Try that again, Keith. Okay, so we started out with 13, and there are 3 left. So, excuse me, there's 10 left. So there's 10 left. So we got to figure out how many. So there's 10 left. We go so we can count on. 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 is the correct answer.
3.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay.
A minus B equals C.
Okay. Oh, it says chairs again. See, at school we would have enough chairs, but at home you don't. So I would use some. You can use beans. You can use marbles. You can use whatever you have. You have a lot of cups.
A. Drew sees A chairs.
So we're solving for A now.
B. He puts away 11 chairs. C. There are 5 chairs left.
Okay.
How many chairs does Drew see?
Okay, now do this again. So we want to get to 5. We want to solve for A. Okay, they took away 11. Okay, so when there's 5 left, so we'll go here. So we have to count up 5 from 11, but we got to remember that we have to remember in our mind and visualize the number symbol. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Okay.
16.
There you go. Right answer. Okay, now we're going to go to this level 1 and 2. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Make it a little bit smaller too. There we go. That's about the right size. Okay.
Drew has napkins. Put the napkins into 4 equal groups.
Okay, we're gonna put the napkin into 4 equal groups. Oops. Oh, here's the napkins. Here are napkins. We got to put 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, napkin. Come on. Okay, here's another group. 1, 2, 3. And one more group. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 times 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is in 4 equal groups. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in 4 equal groups, that answer would be
12.
Bing. Okay. This one. Now we're going to do this one. Okay.
Paige has forks. Put the forks into 2 equal groups.
Okay, so that's, it's telling us 2 equal groups is 4. So we're going to put 4 forks in each group. 1, 2. Again, on the 2. Your child would be coming up and doing this on our interactive smart TV, actually dragging the forks with a stylus to make the equal groups. You can actually do this with actual forks at home. Have 2 circles or 2 pieces of paper to make the groups. So we got one group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the second group of 4. So 2 equal groups of 4. So to figure out what the total is, we start in count with a strategy called count on. So we can start at 4, because we know there's 4 here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is
8.
Okay. So we did that one, we did that one. Now we're on to, let's double check. Oh yes, glasses now. So again, this is something you can definitely do at home with manipulatives. You can have 3 pieces of paper, either cut out the circles to make the group spaces, and get some cups, probably be best, not glasses, because cups will not break. Let's make this just a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're doing.
Drew has glasses. Put the glasses into 3 equal groups.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we can start by counting at 2 because we know there's 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Right. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Paige has menus. Put the menus into 5 equal groups.
5 equal groups. So it wants to make 5 equal groups, we need 3 in each group. 1, 2, 3. Again, you can use this paper for this at home. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we could start with 3, count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So basically it's 3 times 5 is
15.
Good job. All right. And there we're done with our math lesson. So that is our math lesson today for this week. Again, doing this math lesson several times this week will help review the process and actually relearn it, reteach it, and lead to better comprehension. Okay, so we're going to check our schedule. Okay, we did the math lesson. So the next lesson we're going to do is a science lesson, and I'm going to do that on a separate link because this lesson was long, and you probably ended up having to pause this and get your child's attention to redirect them to it, okay? So I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and we're going to end this menu, and I'll see you in the next link.